today. It's our director's birthday. Our director is a man, I would say, is a unique being, a handsome man, very, very intelligent. He knows what he's doing. He's a man of God, and I pray that God will grant him sound health, more of knowledge and wisdom and understanding.
Well, I'm so grateful for this opportunity. It's a great privilege to be part of this institute. Mr. Joseph, the director of Global Institute for Performing Arts, he's a jewel and he's a vessel of honor to humanity. He has been so, he has been so wonderful to the entirety of Ikotu, Lagos, Nigeria, Africa, and indeed the world. I am so impressed and I'm so happy to be part of this institute. In fact, today a surprise party was held for him and he was so happy. Listen, to you all there that are out there, I enjoy you to come and be part of this wonderful work that is happening here, and I enjoy you as you come. Your life will not remain the same. You'll be part of a global moving train that will change your generation. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, today was our director's birthday celebration. It was actually on the 27th, but due to the fact that it was a weekday, we decided to do it on a weekend, which is today, Sunday the 30th. And everything went well, we bless God. It was successful, everything went as planned, and these are the gifts that he was actually offered. So we made merry together. We thank God for everything.
Today was the director of our Global Institute for Arts, located in Ikotu, environs of Lagos State, and today was his birthday. His name is Mr. Joseph, a very good person, a very good man to reckon with. And today it was splendid. We had a lot of things, comedy, spoken words, chants, and from the students, and it was wonderful. It was awesome. So it was splendid, it was awesome, it was just scintillating. Happy birthday, Mr. Joe. Say happy birthday again. Thank you very much.